If you don't want to watch the whole video and just want to see the 7 things that increases your testosterone, I got you. But got me as well, you feel me? Like the video for that shit, it's in the video right now, boom, okay? Increase sleep, eliminate alcohol, lift, de-stress, eat more healthy fats, get more sun, avoid BPAs. I don't know what BPAs mean, to be honest, but avoid them. Now let's get to the video. Peace out. I think you're in the same boat as me, probably if you're watching this video, but bro, I think I actually have low testosterone. And if you look at me, first glance appearance, you wouldn't think that at all. Like I'd say I'm a pretty masculine man, look like that. I'm big, not fat, I'm muscular but not lean or fat. I'm like in the middle type shit. You see that I train type shit. I look like it. People assume that I'm him, but in actuality, I'm not him. And I don't know if you're anywhere near that. But if you think you have low testosterone, this is the video for you. We're gonna figure out how to overcome this shit together type shit. Like, I got it, you got it as well. It's like, it's hard, man. It's hard to actually like accept that. But either way, these are, first we're gonna say the things that are with low testosterone and the things with high testosterone. And then we say, then there are seven actionable steps to optimize male testosterone. And I'm gonna link this Twitter thread thingy in the description. So if you want to read this yourself, you can also do that. Either way, low testosterone. And this is the reason why I think I have low testosterone. I always heard that, you feel me, if you have high testosterone, you wake up with a morning wood, your sex drive is crazy, all that shit. And I just never really had that. Like, I only had that, I can't remember the last time I had a morning wood, first of all. I don't know why I'm stuttering. It's kind of awkward to talk about this shit. Can't lie about it. Either way. And also, like, me personally, I don't really get horny that quick. Type shit. Only if I see some ass, I get in that state. But still, it's not that I get horny real quick or some shit like that. Also, decreased athletic performance. I tried to run yesterday, and I think it's because of flat foot, not necessarily because low testosterone, but my ankle started hurting like crazy. Like, within 5 minutes, felt like it was gonna fall off. Like, and this, I've ran before and I didn't have this problem, so I know this was something else. Might as well been low testosterone, maybe because I've gained a lot of weight, maybe combination of the all things, but I don't know. This shit was bad either way. Abdominal fat, definitely have that. I can't even see my dick sometimes when I'm full at the end of the day. Like, if I ate a lot, like, my belly is like a balloon. At the end of the day, my belly's fat as shit. I can't even see my own dick. That's crazy. I can't lie. Saying that online is crazy. Nigga, like, goddamn, that's tough, but fuck it. I don't care. Constant fatigue. You could say, you could not say. I realize I'm more of an night person than a morning person. But I work in the morning, so I don't know that necessarily. Lack of focus, I do have that. I also believe that's because of the way that the internet is these days, because they try to take your attention to the maximum. Look at TikTok, look at the way that you gotta swipe out this. That shit fucks your attention up, your focus up. And depression, like, I would never say I'm depressed or have depression, but I would say that I think I'm pretty close, in the sense of I really don't care about nothing right now at all. Like, I don't know, I don't really care. Still move with caution, still move calculated though. Even though I don't care, I do certain things. I do the minimum to keep myself sustainable, but I really am not happy about anything except boxing right now. I be boxing 2 times a week. I try to do it more, but that is actually what gets me happy. Like, boxing, when I'm there and when I'm doing it, even though I'm tired, even though it hurts, after I'm done, I want to go back again. So that's why I'm focusing on a lot right now. But that's enough of the low testosterone and me rambling about a lot of shit. Now to the high testosterone part, feel me? So a man with high testosterone, maximum athletic performance, I ain't got that, I believe. Strong erections, high sex drive. My sex drive ain't that crazy, to be honest. I don't know what a strong erection is, cause I don't know what a weak erection is. Decreased body fat. I'm fat as shit, can't lie. Not terrible, but I'm fat. So that's something I don't have. Increased muscle mass. Like if you look at me, like my muscles, like it ain't bad. It's not the, it can be more defined and shit, but it's not bad at all. Healthy heart. I don't think I have an unhealthy heart, so I think I got that. Confidence is kind of lacking right now because I ain't got nothing to be confident about. To be honest, I'm not even happy. Why the fuck should I be confident? And that's just me being realistic. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat this shit. My mental focus is bad. It's gonna get up there. Don't worry about it. Elevated mood. I don't know. Shit also kind of dead. Like my mood ain't crazy or some shit, but that's okay. That's high testosterone. Now we know the difference. I don't know how accurate this is, but let's say this is just accurate. Now these are the 7 actionable steps to maximize male testosterone. Let's get it. Drink your water, man. You can zoom in to just make it more accurate and easy to see. Oh, basically, these are the things. So let me just read it out, bro. Zoom in even more. Can I do it even more? Yes, I can. Okay. With low testosterone levels, you have forward libido, moods, energy, fat loss, recovery, immunity, confidence, mental focus, erectile health, and muscle growth. In short, low testosterone equals or is a lower quality of life. With optimized high testosterone, you have a far higher quality of life. 1. Increased sleep. Increasing sleep is one of the quickest and most effective ways to boost your testosterone levels. To improve sleep levels, sleep in a cool room, use blackout curtains, no screen 2 hours before bed, tape your mouth, and nose breathe. These are things that you can act upon the next time you go to sleep. Like me personally, I'm gonna also reflect this to me so we can actually build a connection, you feel me? If you don't like it, I'm sorry, I guess. I don't really care. I gotta do the tape mouth thing. I've heard about this for over a year probably now. It also helps with building your facial muscles. It's called mewing as well. So that's a great thing to do. You shouldn't breathe through your mouth to begin with. No screen time 2 hours before bed. Something I should do as well. Sometimes I have a little screen time because I might change music or lights or some shit, but I can definitely get that done. But 8 hours, I mean, increased sleep is gonna be difficult because, to be honest, me personally, I work 12 hours a day, and trying to cramp that. Let's say I sleep for 8 hours. Doing everything you want to do in 8 hours, or let's say, everything you want to do in like 4 hours is difficult, man. And then maybe like 3.5 hours is difficult as hell. So probably sleep less. Trying to have it at a sustainable amount. 2. Eliminate alcohol. If you regularly drink alcohol, you won't have healthy testosterone levels. It ruins sleep, high caloric, high in sugar, estrogenic, especially beer. Increase aromatic activity. Increase aromatase activity, conversion of testosterone to estrogen. Is what it means. Lower alcohol consumption. Me personally, I don't drink. I have this problem. I don't have this problem. Me personally, I don't drink, so I don't have this problem. If you have this problem, try it. They don't say quit, but they say lower it. So you can definitely do that. 3. Lift. The more muscle you have, the more testosterone you produce. Lifting also spikes the testosterone in the short term. Compound lifts are especially effective as the utility more muscle for higher T production. Okay. Focus on lifts like squat, deadlift, bench, and barbell rows. Yeah, I agree. My lifting been off the last couple of weeks, but we will get back to it. I gotta find a good combination with the boxing and the lifting, but we will get it done. 4. De-stress. Stress is a major killer of testosterone. To reduce your stress, try yoga, sports, journaling. Reduce social media, taking more nature walks, 10 to 15 minutes of morning meditation. Your stress is less, you have higher testosterone. Okay. Me personally, I don't stress at all, to be honest. Like, I don't care about nothing. So, I don't know. I guess that is good, but it's not good that I don't stress about nothing. It's like that awkward thingy. 5. Eat more healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for healthy testosterone production. That means avoiding PUFA. I don't know what that is. Increase saturated and monosaturated fats from sources like eggs, steak, oily fish, olive, avocados. Okay, a low-fat diet It's a low testosterone. Okay. Low fat. Okay. I see. So you gotta actually eat fat, but you gotta eat the healthy fats. No fried chicken, you bitch ass nigga. I know you heard fats, so you thought, oh, I can eat some fried chicken. Nah, nigga. They mean the healthy fats like this and nuts. Pause. But I don't know why you didn't write that because I heard that's good. 6. Get more sun. Sunshine helps you soak in vitamin D3. If you live in a place where low amount of sun's time, considering taking vitamin D3 tablets. 30 to 60 minutes a day is perfect. This will help you dramatically increase your D levels. I gotta do that actually. I don't know what you're thinking. The sun is not out when I'm out in my country or whatever the fuck. It doesn't matter because you still see light, so the sun still hits you. That shit. So still go outside. Avoid PBA. PBA has been linked to fertile issues, higher estrogen, lower testosterone, increased PBA obesity risks. PBA sources include things like I don't even know what PBA is. BPA, sorry, BPA. That shit awkward to say. That's a bar. Canned food, plastic bottles and cups, plastic cooking utensils. Avoid using plastic containers for your food and drinks. Oh, that stuff. Oh, that stuff. Because I'm about to make noodles in this bitch. I can't lie. But I gotta work on that. P.S. I'm currently looking for a foreman. Nah, nigga. That was it? I think that was it. Okay. Yeah, that was it, man. Is that the last one? Yes. Okay. So, let's go over them all real quickly. Increase sleep, eliminate alcohol, lift, de-stress, eat more healthy fats, get more sun, avoid BPAs. I don't know what BPAs mean to be honest, but avoid them. Yeah, shit, I don't know what to say, man. We're gonna try our best to follow these rules. You feel me? To have less loaded. How do you say that? I don't know what the fuck. I lost my train of thought, nigga. My focus is ass, nigga. It's ass. Either way, we're gonna increase the testosterone. Stop being a bitch about it. It's okay though. We gotta optimize it. You feel me? We're gonna work on it. And yeah, man. I think that's honestly it for the video. I don't have a lot to say else. I gotta stop saying and shit like that, but it's gonna be alright. We back on the grind, you feel me? Gonna do this shit. It's been DaRealest. We out here. Like, subscribe, comment. Just tell me what you thought about the video. If I need to talk about something, let me know. Man, we out of here, man. Peace out.